director of End Rape on Campus. Our mission works to end campus sexual assault by providing direct support, prevention, education, and policy reform from the campus to the federal levels. We drive our mission forward through our Centering the Margins framework, which intentionally amplifies and centers the needs of student survivors at the intersections of their identities, who have been historically excluded and systemically marginalized in this public health crisis we know to be campus sexual assault. For far too long, the narrative of rape survivors have often been centered on one particular narrative, one community. Therefore, making others invisible and many times erased from history books due to white fright and white fragility. For us at EROC, in order to make systemic change, we have to dive deep into the wells of white supremacy and flip it on its head. At EROC, we make visible the hidden student survivors by ensuring not only do they have a seat at the table, but they know that they have the power to demand and implement change. It is through their collective power and their diversity of thought and experience that is vital in not only shifting culture change, but shaping policy. In order to see that power, they have to see themselves reflected in it. Student survivors can't believe in or trust a system or its policies if that same system and its policies weren't created with them in mind to begin with. More specifically, Black women, Black survivors, have had to sit at the sidelines or stand behind closed doors in buildings where decision-making about their Black bodies and Black skin is determined by their white counterparts. No more. It is our time to rise and sit in the seat at the highest court, and Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson will be the first woman to do just that. We know that representation only scratches the surface because we as Black women are so much more than just the color of our skin. We are capable, intelligent, experienced, and oftentimes, if not, the most qualified person in the room. We work twice, if not 3 times harder than the richest socialite, but our wealth that we gain isn't about the money, but I digress. Black student survivors can't believe or trust in a system or its policies if it's only informed by people who have little to no experience in understanding their experiences, their trauma, their hardships, and the racialized laws that have been put in place to keep them down in the gutters. That's why Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is a candidate with not only exceptional credentials, an unimpeachable character, an unwavering dedication to the rule of law, but she has a record of ruling in favor of reproductive, disability, and labor rights, as well as representing those from low socioeconomic backgrounds. Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson is one of our nation's most brilliant minds. And it's time to disrupt the social order. It's time to make a change. It's time and been time for Black women to serve at the nation's highest courts, because we are not a threat to democracy. In fact, democracy needs us. As Sherilyn Ifill, another brilliant mind and prolific leader, once wrote, "Diversity on the bench can enrich judicial decision-making by including a variety of voices and perspectives in the deliberative process, and should focus on ensuring that judges who can and are willing to represent the values and perspectives of minority communities are represented on the bench." So let's shift that narrative. Confirm Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson to the United States Supreme Court. That is the crucial step forward in our democracy. Only then can true justice prevail. Thank you.